vacation.
All of them.
Oh my god, it looks so cool.
Hurry, John!
Don't get pooped on.
That was so awesome.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm scared.
They're all on the football field now.
We got my feet all wet.
Wait, where did they go? Yeah, sky. They're in the sky.
You want the towel? Okay.
You guys, go wait.
That's it.
Okay, let's go. No, take this on video.
Here we are, we're going! This is part 2. Alright, so we're just going right now because, the first video just happened randomly because my friends started to do it. Now there's Dave in front of us in the yellow jacket, and there they're going. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Yo, this is so awesome.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, now we are running from him. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm literally under a bunch of birds. Oh my god.
That was tight, man.
Oh my god. That was amazing. That was creepy too. Well, Dave, what do you got to say about it?
That was pretty awesome.
Alright. Well,
And that was tight. I mean, Nico and him were like running out there and they're like freaking, they pissed off all the birds and then they were like flying.
alright, well,
And it was in the rain too. That was awesome.
the end.
Water on you.
This is the end of part 2. Sayonara.